this is the Honeywell RTH20B programmable thermostat, and it runs on battery power. So I want to show you how to replace the batteries. So what you want to do is to get your thermostat off the wall, and to do this you want to hold it this way and pull it out. Okay, so you can see the batteries right here. This thermostat uses two AA batteries, so you want to get your old batteries out. So that's how to get your old batteries out. And then once you get your new batteries, you want to get them in and make sure you insert them properly. So make sure you get two AA batteries. Now get your new batteries in this way. Okay, so you want to get it back to the wall. So hold it this way and push it into place. Okay, and sometimes after taking out and replacing the batteries, it clears the date and time. So you want to set the date and time. So to set date and time, what you want to do first is to hit the menu button. This is right here, so you want to press the menu button. Okay, now you can use the arrow up and down buttons to select date or time. You can see right there. So now you can see date flashing, so press select. Now you can see the year flashing, so set your year. You can use these buttons here, the arrow up or down buttons, and once you're done, hit next. Okay, set your month, and once you're done here, hit next. Now you can see the date flashing, so use these buttons to set your date, and once you're done, you want to come over here and hit save and exit. Alright, so your date is set. Now come over here again, select time, so now press select here. So you want to select your time format, whether 12 or 24-hour clock. So in my case, I'm going with 12-hour clock. Okay, now press next. Now you want to set your time. You can see the hour flashing, so use these buttons to adjust your time. You can press and hold it to get it to move faster. So make sure you set the correct time for AM or PM, and once you're done, hit next. Set your minutes. Okay, and once you're done here, you want to hit save and exit. So that's how to set date and time on this Honeywell thermostat. Now you can press exit. So that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.